Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you change font size on Facebook. So first of all, on your Facebook application, as you can see, this is the default font size that is selected. So now if you want to change it, you very simply have to open up your iPhones or your Android settings. On the settings, you have to search for display and brightness. In this interface, click on text size. So to change your font size, what you have to do is that you have to drag this white circle to the right side if you want to increase the font size, and if you want to decrease it, you can drag the white circle on the left side. Once you are done with this, you have to open up your Facebook application once again, and now as you can see, the font size of my Facebook is changed. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.